Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv and I welcome you to this video. In this video, I want to share the difference between an optimist and a pessimist. Of course, there may be a lot many differences between an optimist and a pessimist, but the key difference between them is the way they explain an event, whether it is positive or negative, to themselves. Now let's take an event like losing a job. Now this is mostly seen as a negative event. So when an optimist comes across an event like this, he thinks, oh, this is just a temporary phase. Soon I'll get a new job and it will be a better job. And if I don't get a job, then I can always start my own business. On the other hand, the pessimist thinks I can never get another job. My life is over. I am finished. The optimist thinks very specific. He thinks that this job, this event has nothing to do with my confidence or competence or my family or my relationship or my future. On the other hand, the pessimist thinks that because I have lost this job, it can have a dramatic effect on my confidence, my competence, my performance, my family, my relationship, and my future. The optimist, also thinks that it has nothing to do with me. It has nothing to do with me. It is because of many other circumstances that I have lost this job. But the pessimist thinks that I am responsible. I must be useless. I may not be up to the mark. And that's the main difference between an optimist and a pessimist. So, how do you explain an event to yourself, whether it is a positive event or whether it is a negative event? How do you explain it to yourself will decide to a great degree how you respond to it and what results you get out of it. So the keywords here is temporary or permanent, global or specific, and finally internal or external. So whenever an optimist comes across a bad event, he sees it as a temporary event. He sees it as a very specific event which does not affect everything, and he sees it as something external. But on the other hand, the pessimist sees it as something which is permanent, something which is global. It will affect all areas of his life, and he sees it something as internal. He's the person, he's the useless person. So I would love to have your comments in the comments box below, which could help other friends as well. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.